What's up, guys? Welcome to the DropFunnels Starter Course. My name is Derek Johnson. I'm going to be walking you through this platform. In under 2 hours, you should be able to complete this entire course, have a sales funnel launched, and make your first sale, if that's what you want to do. So I just put 6 sections in here, which I thought were kind of the most critical ones to actually get you up to speed and launching your offers. So you're watching the intro right now, and this is just to kind of explain the course to you. After this, we'll cover courses, sales funnels, the blog, products and sales, and the new lead quizzes feature. And once you're done with that, you'll get a check mark for each course completion. Once you're 100% finished, I want you to scroll down to the bottom here. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them right here inside the course. Those will be pending approval, and I will go ahead and approve those, get those added. And once you're all done, you can complete this quiz here to unlock your bonuses. So if you're new to DropFunnels, I do offer DropFunnels bonuses as well. So you can check those out here and click these links to actually go sign up for a 14-day free trial of DropFunnels. So I highly recommend jumping in as soon as possible while the price is as low as it's ever going to be. You can go ahead to DropFunnels, pick your plan, and choose the plan that fits you best. Currently, the starter plan is just $49 per month, and you can go from there. So hopefully you guys find some value out of this course. If you do, I'd appreciate you jumping in the Facebook group, subscribing on YouTube, and leaving me a comment on this course as well. So hopefully, once you're done with this course, you understand how to utilize DropFunnels in your business. If you want to get to the meat, I would say stick to courses, sales funnels, and products and sales. And eventually you can circle back to the blog. That's kind of a long-term strategy. And lead quizzes, you don't need those right away. Go ahead and get up your sales funnels, and if you're going to do any kind of lead magnets, a course is a great one to do. So highly recommend those. At the end of the day, I just want to provide some value to you guys. Hopefully I'll see you in my group, DropFunnels Online Marketing for Entrepreneurs. You can jump into that group, ask any questions. We do live training at least once per week in there, and we're going to continue to grow and make awesome content like this for you guys. So that being said, go ahead and jump into the courses lesson, and I'll see you on that next video.